the presence of the Lord. O God Almighty, you as the loving children, offering day to day our work and studies, help us strive to be diligent to our teachers, kind to our classmates, diligent to our studies, that we may merit the blessing for ourselves, our school, our country, the Philippines, and okay, so let's proceed to our energizer. Are you familiar with chikadi chikadi lipad lipad?
Patay.
So let's begin. Chikadi nakatayo sa sanga, dumating ang isa, dalawa na sila. Chikadi chikadi lipad lipad, chikadi chikadi lipad lipad. May dalawa ka chikadi nakatayo sa sanga, dumating ang isa, tatlo na sila. Chikadi, chikadi, lipad, lipad. Chikadi, chikadi, lipad, lipad. May tatlo ka chikadi nakatayo sa sanga, dumating ang isa, apat na sila. Chikadi, chikadi, lipad, lipad. Chikadi, chikadi, lipad, lipad. May apat ka chikadi nakatayo sa sanga, dumating ang isa, lima na sila. Chikadi, chikadi, lipad, lipad. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. May lima ka chikading nakatayo sa sanga, lumipad ang isa, apat na sila. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. May apat ka chikading nakatayo sa sanga, lumipad ang isa, tatlo na sila. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. May tatlo ka chikading nakatayo sa sanga, lumipad ang isa, dalawa na sila. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. May dalawa ka chikading nakatayo sa sanga, lumipad ang isa, isa na sila. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. Chikading, chikading, lipad, lipad. May isa ka chikading nakatayo sa sanga, lumipad ang isa, wala na sila. Okay. Okay, class, you may now take your seat. Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you this morning? Okay, that's good to hear. So, I will check first your attendance before we proceed. So, say present once I call your name. Alvardo Nidoro Dulce. Kalubag Rai.
Present.
Alvardo Nidoro Dulce. Kalubag Glyza.
Present, ma'am.
Dampas Hanalo. Yesha Daniela.
Present.
Abis Angela.
Present.
Okay, so very good. No one is absent this morning. Yesterday class, I give you an assignment. So are you done with it?
Yes,
ma'am. Okay, so Ronjel, can you collect their assignments? So, do you remember our topic last time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is it all about? Okay, Ronjel.
The lesson yesterday is all about solar system.
Okay, it is all about solar system. So, in your own understanding, what is solar system? From Ronjel.
Solar system is the planet and other heavenly bodies that orbiting the sun.
Okay, very good. So, Can you enumerate the members of our solar system? Okay, Robel J.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune, and Saturn.
Okay, so can you repeat the answer of Robel J, Angela?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay, very good. So I have two pictures here of heavenly bodies. So based on the pictures, what can you say about it? What is this?
The Sun.
Everyone, please raise your right hand. Okay, Ronjel.
Sun,
And this one.
Earth,
Okay, very good. So can you describe the sun, Glyza?
it's a hot ball of heavenly body.
Okay, very good. Then the earth. Please describe Hannah.
God of rock and ocean.
Okay, so very good. So do you think that we can survive without sun?
No.
Why? Okay, Roche.
Because without sun, the earth covered with darkness.
Okay, so very good. Another answer. Liza.
Because the plant will not alive.
Okay, so very good. So sun sun is very important because without sun, our earth will be covered by darkness. Then sun gives energy to plants to produce food and oxygen to the living things in earth. We all know that the earth is our home. It is the only planet that we have an atmosphere that contains oxygen, ocean of water, most of all life. Today, our next topic is all about sun. But before we proceed, let us first unlock the difficult words that we might encounter during our discussion. So, I have a planetary orbiter. So, I need 5 persons who will volunteer to answer this one and give the correct meaning. Who will volunteer? Okay, Glyza. Next, sa Corona. Who will volunteer? Angela. Next, Star. Next, Salayer. Next, Sun. Okay, so let's find out if all of your answers are correct. So, in sunspot, can you read it for me, Glyza?
Dark patch on the sun.
Okay, so sunspot is a dark patch on the sun. It is correct. Next, corona. Yes, Angela.
Flame from the surface of the sun.
Okay, so it is correct that the corona is flame from the surface of the sun. So this one is an example of sunspot. Then this one is the corona of the sun. Next is the star. Can you read it for me?
Mass of gas in space.
Okay, very good. So star is the mass of gas in space. So next layer.
Level of parts.
Okay, so layer is the level of parts. Next is the sun.
Star where planet orbits.
Okay, very good. So sun is a star where planets orbit. Okay, so sun is the star of the center of the solar system. So it is nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma. So sun is perfect in sphere. Then heated to incandescence by nuclear fusion reactions in its similar core, revealing the energy mainly as light and infrared radiation. So its diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers. Then 864,000 miles or 109 times that of Earth, and its mass is about 330,000 times that of Earth. So it accounts for about 99.86% of total mass of the solar system. So sun mass consists of hydrogen 73%, helium 25%, with smaller quantities of heavier elements including oxygen, carbon, neon, and iron. So what is sun consist of? Anyone? Okay, Rovel J.
The sun consists of hydrogen, helium, with smaller quantities of heavier elements including oxygen, carbon, neon, and iron.
Okay, so very good. What percent is the hydrogen? Yesha. Okay, very good. So, okay, so how about the helium? Anyone? Okay, Hannah.
25%.
Okay, very good. So it is 25%. So, do you think sun is a star?
Yeah.
Okay, so what makes you think that sun is a star? Anyone? Okay, Rovel J.
Because just like star, sun is a ball of hydrogen and helium that emits light and heat.
Okay, so very good. Okay, so let's study this picture. So what can you see about this picture? Okay, Rovel J.
The layer of the sun.
Okay, very good. So this picture is the layer of the sun. So will you enumerate the layer of the sun, the 4 layer of the sun? Anyone? Angela?
Radiation zone, core, convection zone, or photosphere.
Okay, very good. So photosphere is the surface and outermost layer of the sun with a temperature of 6,600 degrees Celsius. So this is where we can see sunspots and corona. This one. So in this layer we can see sunspot and corona. Next is convection zone. So it's the second outermost layer of the sun, which energy is transported outward mainly by convection layer current. So in your own idea, why is it convection zone is important? Okay, Rovel J.
Because it's responsible for formation of clouds in Earth and other planets in the solar system.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's have an activity. I want you to group into 3 groups. So let's count on.
1,
2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 4, 1.
So all number 1 will sit here. Then all number 2 is here. Then all number 3 So I have here a boiled egg. So let's imagine that this egg is the sun. So each group I will give one egg. So decide within your group mates who will be the reporter that will go here in front to show to us the layers of the sun using an egg. So I will give you only 20 seconds to discuss within your group. So timer start now. We'll report first.
Good morning, classmates. I'm here in front of you to discuss the layer of the sun. So the photosphere is the shell of the egg. So this one. While convection zone is this, the close of the egg. Next, the radiation zone is the white egg. This. Then the core is the egg yolk. So that's it. Thank you.
One start.
So let's proceed to group 2.
Good morning, classmates. Good morning. This is the photosphere. The eggshell. The convection law is egg yolk. And the radiation zone is egg white. This and the core is egg yolk. Thank you.
Okay, so let's proceed to group 3.
This is the photosphere. And this is the convection zone. And the radiation is the egg white. And the core is the egg yolk.
let's find out if all of your answers are correct. So, in this egg, the photosphere is the eggshell, this one. Next is the cloth-like part of the egg is the convection zone. Then next is the egg white, this one is the radiation zone. Then the egg yolk, this one is the core.
Very good, group 1, 2, and 3.
All your answers are correct. So let's give a round of applause to ourselves. A big round of applause. Get 1/4 sheet of paper. So, direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. This is the innermost layer of the sun. A. Photosphere. B. Radiation zone. C. Convection zone. D. Core. Next, what is the temperature of the surface of the sun? A. 4,000 degrees Celsius. B. 6,600 degrees Celsius. C. 9,900 degrees Celsius. D. 5,000 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Layer of the sun that is responsible for cloud formation in the Earth and on other planets in the solar system. A. Photosphere. B. Radiation zone. C. Convection zone. D. Core. Next, it is the layer of the sun that produces radiation. A. Radiation zone. B. Core. C. Photosphere. D. Convection zone. Number 5. It is the dark cold space found underneath the corona. A. Solar flare. B. Gas. C. Sunspot. D. Sunburn.
Okay, class, I will collect now your paper.
Assignment. So in a 1/2 crosswise, give at least 5 benefits we get from the sun. So, did you get a?
Yes, ma'am.
So, goodbye class.
Goodbye, ma'am. Goodbye, classmates. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Mind class slowly and quietly.